In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Gmail inbox for a more streamlined and efficient email management experience. Whether you're looking to reduce clutter or simply want to tailor your inbox to better suit your personal preferences, these steps will guide you through the process. First, let's start by making our way to your Gmail inbox. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once you're there, ensure you're signed into your account to follow along. At this point, you should see the familiar layout of your inbox with your emails listed front and center. Now, let's dive into the settings where the customization magic happens. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll notice a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action will bring up a quick settings menu from which we'll take the next step to delve deeper into the options available. In this quick settings menu, you'll see an option labeled See All Settings. Click on this link and it will immediately take you to a comprehensive settings dashboard. This is the central hub for adjusting various features of your Gmail experience. Here, you'll find several tabs lined up at the top of this settings dashboard. Each tab corresponds to specific functionalities. For our purposes, you'll want to select the one labeled Inbox. So, find the Inbox tab and click on it. This section is dedicated to how your messages are organized and displayed when you first open your Gmail. Scrolling through the Inbox tab options, you will encounter a section titled Categories. This is where you have the power to control the different tabs that can help you categorize your emails into sections like social, promotions, updates, and forums. If your goal is to simplify the look of your inbox, you can uncheck the boxes next to the tabs you don't need. For instance, you can leave only the primary tab checked if you prefer having everything in one place. Just go through and uncheck the tabs you wish to remove from your view. Once you're satisfied with your selections and ready to implement these changes, take a glance at the bottom of the page. You'll notice a button labeled Save Changes. Clicking this button will apply the tweaks you've made to your inbox setup. This is a crucial step to ensure your choices are enacted. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and adjustments, your Gmail inbox is now customized to reflect your unique preferences and needs, allowing for a cleaner and more focused email experience. I hope this guide has been helpful and has empowered you